Welcome to Decorsify. Today I'm going to teach you how to clean your washable rug. If you haven't already, go check out our previous video on why you need a washable rug. When it comes to cleaning your washable rug, there are 3 different ways of doing so. For a basic cleaning, sweep or vacuum on a low suction setting. For messes a little more stubborn, try spot cleaning. We recommend spot remover like Folex, but a mixture of water and dish soap works too. Start by patting the area dry, spray your cleaner, and give it a couple seconds to soak in. Lightly dab and repeat until you no longer see the stain. For large messes, you might need to deep clean. Just simply throw it in the washer and wash on cold with a gentle detergent. Be sure to stay away from bleach products and fabric softeners. We recommend line drying for longevity. However, if preferred, you can throw it in the dryer on a low heat setting. Once your rug is dry, it's ready to be laid back out. If you have any more questions on how to clean your washable rug, leave a comment or see the link below to visit our website. Be sure to tag us on Instagram so we can see your style, or just come visit us for inspiration and decor tips.